feel really good about this round. Okay, got the mannequin. And what else do we need? The fan?
Need this.
Okay. I got the fan.
All right.
Kaboom.
Kaboom.
I would have gone to build stuff.
If I wanted to build stuff, I would have gone to build stuff school.
Don't worry, I got the thing. Fan is accomplished.
All right. Do we have a working turbine?
Yep.
Cool.
And there's no ladder over here.
Sometimes there just isn't anything in this room.
Yeah. Powered by conspiracy.
All right.
My
let's
guy's
go.
like, powered by conspiracy.
Oh, what happened?
Oh, we're outside.
Hold on.
Is there anything out here that we can find?
Not as far as I know.
No, if it's not inside the garage before you leave, then no.
Okay. All right, I'm on the bus.
All right. Everybody on the booth.
Now departing for the Heart Research Station.
All right. There we go.
Sweet.
If you want to try getting off, might as well do it early, and I can tell you where.
Yeah.
Okay.
I saw the first thing, but it's probably not going to work.
Alright.
I don't think you can get over the sandbags unless they let you jump over it.
Okie dokie. Okie dokie, artichoke. You just tell me where to go and I'll go there.
Turbine's out. Turbine's
Turbine down.
Everybody, it's a turbine party. Hey, it's a turbine party, everyone.
Oh my gosh.
He wants to dance.
Wub, wub, wub. Okay, so,
1 second. We might as well open the door.
yeah.
Oh, shit.
Oh, you're out.
What? What the hell happened?
I'm fine. I fell out of the bus.
I was like, you're
Back
out.
in.
I was like,
So where were you referring to?
Right here. Right here.
Right here? Ow, ow. Holy, what's this?
Oh,
Dude,
no,
I
it's
found
never mind.
something. I found something. Get back to the
there's a
bus.
part.
Yeah.
Oh.
Maybe it's for the bus.
Hold on, hold on. Oh, God.
come on, bus.
Oh, no, it's running away from me.
Come on, you can do it.
I hear babies. I hear
Oh,
babies.
God.
You can do it.
I hear babies. I hear babies.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Shoot at him, sweetie. Shoot at him.
Shoot.
No, I've got one on me.
Ah.
Oh, my furs.
That didn't surprise me.
I got
Oh, get out of here.
Holy crap.
one. He's like floating. Holy crap.
Oh, my God.
I got him off
Get
here.
off me. Get off me.
We got him. Okay.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
no.
Oh shit.
Oh,
that
God,
was
babies.
scary.
Babies everywhere.
Behind you.
No, 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 no.
Oh, God.
Oh,
I gotta
oh,
get to
God.
the diner. I gotta
kill
just
them
get
if
to
they
the
jump
diner.
on me. I'm trying to get you. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Get off my face.
Run.
Oh, my.
No.
Okay, so I got something. I don't know what
Hey,
it is.
we made it into town.
That works for me.
What did you get? What does it look like?
It looks like a turbine. Like an actual turbine.
Look around on the bus and see if you can apply it to something.
Wrong part. Doesn't go on the front.
The only things we know so far are the bumper, the back ladder, and the emergency exit ladder.
Right, so obviously it's not any of those. It's something new. Wrong part.
Get off of me, demon.
Shh.
Baby demon's on my face.
It doesn't go on the bus.
What doesn't? What do you have?
I
Try
have a
taking
part.
it to the work table here.
Okay. All right.
Just, I don't
There
know.
we go. Wrong part.
Well,
what
I guess
the hell?
it goes to something later on, maybe.
Maybe.
What is it that you found at church?
Well, that's one little Easter egg that we found.
Wait
is
a-
the part.
Wait a minute.
found the car door.
I have an idea.
What's your idea?
Maybe it's a gun.
What?
Maybe it's a gun.
Oh,
Oh,
you-
the gun that you pieced together.
Have you noticed how there's in the mystery box, you know how in the in Black Ops and World at War, you could always see the power weapons scrolling through,
yeah.
but there aren't any power weapons that scroll through.
Rather swing a dead cat.
So Maybe you have to make it.
If you build it, they will come.
Yeah. But the problem with that would be, where the hell are the other parts to it?
That's true.
Yep.
Well, that's the mystery that must be solved.
Yep.
This is
Monkey
what I've been waiting
bombs. Sweet.
Those are good. Those are good. Those will save our asses actually. So
Yeah.
you know what they do, right?
Yeah, it's distract.
Okay. Yep.
Take the sniper. Do it.
Yeah, dude. All right.
War Machine? Yeah, great.
Well, that's crap.
God, what a piece of
Well,
garbage.
okay. So when I'm forced to drop this, actually, I shouldn't have to drop this turbine at all. I don't think.
No, not unless you have to pick up another part.
Yeah. So, I shouldn't have to pick up another part because there are 3 of you who can handle that.
Did somebody
So.
just shoot a grenade at that guy?
Yeah. The War Machine doesn't explode, right? It does. It does.
It just
direct
shoots a
impact
grenade.
damage.
Yeah.
It does direct impact damage and then it'll blow up.
Yeah, it's kind of
But if you hit somebody head on, like the grenade will bounce back at you. It's retarded.
It's a really good gun.
Sweet.
God, my breaths are really annoying when
Holy,
I'm sniping.
dude! Look, if you shoot it at the ground, look at how high it goes. Look.
Wait, hold on. Wait, do it again.
Like a bouncy
Hold
ball.
on, let me reload. Let me reload.
One sec. Okay, go ahead. Good God.
That's a total bouncy ball.
You suck, War Machine. You're the redheaded stepchild.
Wow, dude.
No,
That's
dude,
insensitive.
No offense to redheaded stepchildren. I'm very PC.
I'm gonna keep my fan in case you guys want that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I never get rid of it because I mean, really, what are you replacing? Yeah, you can get the RPG on the lawnmower. It's not really that necessary. At least not to turn the power on and then get yourself back around, which is really, I guess, what you should be doing is just continue to loop and
Yeah.
then you're gonna need stuff like that later on, like the zombie door or the door shield thing, and the RPD turret on the lawnmower, and then also that electric trap that you can get at the white room.
Oh yeah, I still haven't seen that thing fully assembled.
I've assembled it, but I never took it. I was
Oh,
like,
okay.
that just seems boring.
Max ammo, reload. Or don't.
Sweet.
I will continue to try to War Machine things and not get any points. Oh, we have insta kill. There we go. That works.
Boss is here. I think. Or I heard a horn. But I don't.
Already?
It might be.
I need to go to the damn mystery box again.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, so do I. Well, we shouldn't leave unless we got.
Oh,
the thing.
thanks, Mark.
Oh, okay. Okay. Thanks, Mark.
Oh my god.
Every time. It's literally only you. It's hilarious. Well, guess I'm buying an MP5 then.
Yeah, someone's still got to open the door.
Okay, that's great. I hit him with 2 shots from a sniper and he
Get my back.
is alive.
Screw you, zombie.
Oh, sh.
I know all about it. All about
Somebody on our
that
team's freaking out. He's like, I know all about it.
I know, it's my guy is
Oh, I
so
found a heart. I
weird.
found a jet engine.
What? Oh, that's mine. That's mine, I think.
Oh.
Wait, did it? Yeah, it dropped when I went down. That's what happened.
Okay, well, I picked it up for you.
Okay.
I saw it and was like, I guess we may need this.
I'm just shooting. I took 4 direct impact grenades to kill a zombie. Oh god.
I may not want to use that.
So that's interesting to know that if you go down when a part is in your inventory, you lose it.
Yeah, because now I gotta pick up that emergency.
Can anyone with worthwhile guns open the diner so I can get an
It's a
MP5?
for the car. Anyone get that?
Uh-oh.
Where is the hell? He's behind me while shooting. Yeah, I'll
You get him, Kathy. I'll help you.
Well, I am grateful to not
What
be
about it?
Yep, here it is. Here be the bus. I just hold on. I'm gonna go into the diner really quick.
Yeah, I need to get the gun. Oh wait, there's no gun.
No, stop hitting me. Oh my
Gosh.
god. Why? I just want to
Oh, Jesus.
Oh guys, what's going on over here?
I tried to get Mark.
Get up.
I'm getting you.
All right, everybody on the bus.
Okay.
No.
All right. Let me see if I can put this on the bus somewhere. Maybe on the side.
No, are you talking about the jet engine?
Yeah.
Get back on the bus. No, it doesn't go there. I already tried. Mark, what are you doing?
Oh no.
I'm not getting on the bus.
What were you doing? You just let yourself die.
Don't worry, I got you.
I was
Get on the
reloading
bus.
my war machine and I was just gonna shoot a
Get
bunch of
on the freaking bus. Stop shooting.
All right, all right. Dude, get on the bus. You're gonna die
The
again.
door's closed and I can't walk in the lava while the
No, jump
door's
over it.
closed.
All right. Oh my God, dude.
Somebody closed the door on me. I couldn't walk into it.
All right, Jesus Christ.
Stop closing the door.
It's open. You
It's
guys got to run.
about to-
You're gonna have to run on the bus. Stop
It's not a big deal. Just getting run over. It's not a big deal.
Jordan.
The bus is
All
not
right, here we
legally-
go. Jeez.
All right, we're all good here.
Yeah,
I thought you froze because you were just
we're all
standing
good
there.
here. We're
It looked-
all good here.
Good God.
I got a bunch of bullets for that. They flew out of the bus.
There's just grenades flying everywhere.